Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to create a matrix of Dropdowns question in Surveymonkey, quickly and easily. First, log into your Surveymonkey account and open the survey you want to edit. Next, go to the Design Survey section and click plus New Question. From the list of question types, choose Matrix of drop-down menus. After that, add your question text, something like, please select your availability for each day. Now define your rows. These are the items you want people to respond to, like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. To complete the setup, add your columns. These are the drop-down options, like time slots, 9 a.m., 11 a.m., 1 p.m., or team members, Anna, John, Mike. You can also make each row required if you want respondents to select an option for every item. Finally, click Save to add the matrix to your survey. And that's it. You've just created a powerful, interactive question that makes data collection easier and more organized. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.